Hey buddies, Jose Wire Ninjas. We build systems and circuits of integrity. We're also Dreamedia's preferred install partner in the New Jersey area. Now that means two things. Number one, we make truly awesome videos for you guys and you love them. Number two, if you need system design, audio video equipment, please reach out to Dreamedia. They'll take good care of you. And also, if you need install, please reach out to Dreamedia as well. They're going to take care of you by referring you to us, and we're going to take care of it with that 5-star service that Zach's always talking about. Now, today, we're in Point Pleasant, New Jersey, and we're actually at Shore Point's Barbecue. We're going to do some type of lighting installation. It's for aesthetics, but it's going to be cool, it's going to be awesome, and people are going to be happy. It's going to light up the room in a different fashion or manner. And check it out. We're doing string lights today. So yeah, these fancy string lights I've been wearing for you guys. We're doing string lights today. We have 3 sets of these, and we're gonna hang these in such a way that makes the room look really cool. Get a nice ambient light going. They have little special bulbs, those new or modern LED, I don't even know what they're, it's like the new old school bulbs, but this is gonna be a cool one because anytime you do audio, video, or lighting in any room, I noticed that it really does change the room, and that's because of the onboard sensors, you know, the optical sensors, the auditory equipment. So because we're equipped with eyes and ears, whenever you add a visual element, a lighting element, or an audio element to a room, it really does change the space. It really makes it a different environment. So I'm excited. I'm gonna show you guys how I mount these things up. All right, gang, so let's talk about rope lighting. What do you call this, Ryan? Rope lighting?
String lights.
String lights?
Yeah.
They're for backyard applications, but they can provide you the ambiance or the aesthetics that you want for a particular situation. And being that we're a barbecue place, we want to get that, I guess, backyard feel, you know, that home feeling. People are getting some good home cooking. So we did the string lights, and I'll show you what you need to get them up there. Steve, you just took all my stuff from my video. All right. So you need a stud finder. That's number 1. And then you need some hooks. That's number 2. Now, I recommend finding the studs, putting the hook in the stud, and then hanging your string light. It's very simple, it's very easy, and it can be a long-lasting, robust installation as long as you do it in this fashion. So, stud, hook, string. Stud, hook, string. Now, the other thing is, a lot goes into the thought process here in the sense that, do we want to hang these? Do we want 2 arches? We thought about, you know, do we do 1 arch? Do we do 2 arches? What's the correct height? What's the correct stagger on these things? And we gave it a lot of consideration before we did what we did. And I'm pretty happy with the outcome. It's kind of a weird thing to shoot on camera. Your eyes see them much better than the camera does. It's a weird thing. Let's go full shot mode. There you go. Full shot's best. Hey, this would be an awesome shot on the camera at nighttime, but it's time to go home, kids. We're tired. All right, gang, that's a wrap at Shore Point's Barbecue. We showed you how to hang some string lights. We gave you some tips and tricks, what to consider, what to use, and that's about it. Just want to thank you for watching. If you're in New Jersey, Point Pleasant, please stop by Shore Point's Barbecue. Get some delicious food. Say hi to Ryan. Tell him the Wire Ninjas sent you. And that would be funny, right? But that's it. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Oh my gosh. Is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait! Dreamedia, come back!